What's up, guys? It's Matteo from Conquered Leads here, and this is the website template optimized for cold emails. So here is what's needed in the templates. I'm gonna go over this in a sec, but first, we need to understand social proof that helps cold email. So having a good landing page is like very key for this, right? You need your video sales letter in it, and you want case studies and video testimonials. Here are some other things, other social proof that helps cold email, but this is not the point of the video. Um, First, we need to talk about the best practices for websites optimized for cold email. So, first of all, your website actually matters. There's a lot of misconception with people saying, "Oh, you can, start a business, start your outreach, don't even think about the website." While I used to think that was true, your website does matter, and it's literally the first thing people search up when you outreach to them or once they know about you, right? So you want to keep it clean, and you want to use a landing page instead of a normal website. So the normal websites I'm talking about have like, a home, an about, a contact us, services, that sort of stuff. And if you're trying to optimize for cold email specifically, I would recommend just going into a one pager, like a landing page, right? While the home, about, contact us type of website may work for other different services or other methods of getting clients, like SEO or ads even, or whatever. While that may work for cold email itself, a one page landing page works better. So yeah, you want to keep it clean, make it readable and watchable, and you want to provide value as well. You want to use a landing page because prospects redirect your secondary domains to your landing page, right? So here's my website. If I did like getconqueredleads.com, as you can see, it like redirected to my website here. So it's very important that you have a landing page because you have seconds to capture their attention. Yeah, and you want to sell the call, not your service. And you want to have a CTA after every section. So usually that's a book a call because that's the whole point of the cold email landing page. Yeah. Social proof is key. So you want case studies, video testimonials, training videos, examples of work, blog. And yeah, you want to have a VSL and show your face in it. It's very important that you show your face in it because otherwise most people think you're a scam. That's just the reality of cold outreach these days. So if you don't want to put your face in it, then you're just going to get worse results. Yeah, and you want to sell the call, not your service, because that is the point of doing cold email, to book more calls, right? So that's the best practices for websites optimized for cold email. In terms of the actual template itself, first of all, you need your logo, your business name, right? Then you want a headline and the sub headline, and then the CTA, and then your VSL. So I'd say the VSL is probably like one of the most important parts of your actual website. But something you need to consider is what you call like the above the fold. So as soon as a prospect hits your landing page, it's like, what do they see first of all? Some of them will not be able to watch the video because they don't have time or they can't be bothered watching a video. So it's very important that you have a good headline and sub headline to start with. As you can see, here's mine. Headline, sub headline. I've got this as extra. You don't really need to do it, but yeah, you want a headline, sub headline, logo. I've got a CTA here actually, but it doesn't really matter. Yeah, then your VSL. Yeah, next is examples of your work or video training. So it really depends on the type of agency you are or type of B2B company you are. If you're a content agency and you edit content for people, have some of your best work. But if you're a cold email service such as me or any sort of thing where you can't really showcase the work because I'm not going to show cold email scripts because it's very niche specific, client specific, etc. But if you're doing something such as video content or landing pages, then you would have examples of your landing pages there. So for me, I just have video training here, basically embedded in my YouTube channel, which is a cold email masterclass basically. So I've got 12 videos here. And as you can see, I'm having this CTA after every section, as I said before. So yeah, next you want is the process. Whoops, I said that twice, but yeah, you want the process. And I wrote, here's what you need to know: email deliverability, lead list, your offer. So this is a process slash philosophy on how you do your services, what makes you different, what's the important factors about your service, or anything like that, right? So yeah. Next is about the service. So yeah, about my cold email system, like what are the areas of focus? Yeah, customized campaigns, cost-effective lead gen. You get the point, right? So if you're doing a different service, you would literally just write about the service, what areas you focus on, pretty much. Next is a case study slash testimonials. So it's very important that you have this. Have video case studies if possible, like interviews like this, or your clients like recording a selfie video of the case study. That would work too. Screenshots of any results you got, Slack channel, conversations. Yeah, if you do like Facebook ads, show the ROAS, show the number of sales, right? Yeah, it's very important that you have these case studies, because when prospects hit your landing page, you want to show that you've done the work for other people and got the results, right? Next after that is the process. Is how to get started. So, we handle everything. Here's a 3-step process to get started with us. So, initial consultation, we get to work and do our thing, and then we review and revise. Yeah, and lastly, of course, the calendar link. All of the CTAs here should scroll down to your calendar link. And yeah, then I have like a footer here with my logo, YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, privacy policy, terms and conditions. But yeah, I didn't include it in this template. Or maybe I should do it quickly. Footer, terms and conditions, privacy policy, etc. But yeah, like the whole point of this video is to show how to optimize your landing page slash website for cold email itself. Again, if you're getting traffic and clients through other methods, you may not want to do a landing page like this. But if you want to optimize specifically just for cold email, you want to do it like this. This is what has worked for us and booked us the most amount of meetings. So yeah, highly recommend. Obviously, it's very business specific, niche specific. So you want to make your copywriting tailored to that. But yeah, this is the template of how to optimize for cold email. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you can implement some of these strategies, or use the template for yourself if you're doing cold email or any cold outreach. But other than that, yeah, hope you found it valuable. Thanks.